Banks Culture series. So intelligent and witty. Shows us how the future will truly be. No work, no money, nor poverty. AI minds of varying degrees. Human-level equivalent droids. To godlike minds who run the show. Many scoff at the idea that such a utopia is possible. We have been taught a false reality, that humans are a warlike cancer, a hostile disease beyond redemption. They say a dystopian future is far more likely. See the climate change emergency. Such a dreary, unimaginative worldview. I refuse to believe it. All propaganda for the gullible, for control, and for profit. But if you read the culture books, you will know that a new golden age is inevitable. In fact, we're heading there now. Sustainable abundance. I wanna live in the culture. 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 While mainstream media spreads darkness at the speed of light, the culture seeds are starting to sprout. Impossible AI technology is coming to pass. Humanoid robots and self-driving cars. 0-point energy waiting in the wings. Burning Man and Azora give us a glimpse of the beauty of a new mode of being. I wanna live in the culture. 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 So be optimistic and positive. We are living in the dawn of a new golden age. Iain Banks saw it, and through the magic of storytelling, inspired Elon Musk and others who are making it real. Despite what you hear, this is the most exciting time to be alive.